All you need to do is just listen by breaking it down and go, well, how good is this? How good is that? How good is the other? What you actually do is you go, oh, I know where the problem is. And you've not gone onto YouTube. You've not asked anyone. You've not gone for random feedback for some random person. You've just listened to this piece of music and it has told you where the problems are. You can always find out what to do simply by using these and this. Watching a YouTube tutorial or going and listen to somebody else's piece of music or getting random feedback from someone else is just going to confuse matters because they're talking about something else. You know, even the random feedback from someone who has listened to the piece of music, they're talking about themselves when they're giving you feedback. It takes a very special individual not to do that, or someone who's been trained not to do that. Most people go, oh, here's what you should do, blah, 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 blah. And it's just their own crap coming out. You go and look at a YouTube tutorial about how this, that, or the other. It might work, but it might not. All you need to do is just listen. Pay attention to certain elements, certain parts, certain just the different things that need to be there, and the music will tell you what to do next.